Our Cadillac Streets is going to treat you to a smooth and powerful driving experience with luxurious Cadillac-style accommodations at every turn. The roomy cabin is superb, with comfortable, supportive seats, ample storage space, a superior sound system, a wood-grain dash, and many more upscale touches. Settle in and enjoy the luxury car experience all around you, equipped with a 4.6-liter V8 engine generating 320 horsepower. This STS has the power to back up its good looks. This Street is unmistakably a Cadillac, but it's also a performance sedan for the driving enthusiast in you. Factor in its comfortable cabin and impressive features, and this STS delivers a lot of luxury, technology and performance. Print this page and call us now. We know you will enjoy your test drive towards ownership. Come in today for a test drive.